Hello guys! So today tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-remove ng ads. Kasi merong mga apps na ganun yung may mga ads. Pag nagbabasa, ganun, tapos naglalaro, nanonood. And it's totally free. So, madali lang to guys. Punta lang kayo sa settings. And then, hanapin nyo yung connection and sharing. Pag nandun na kayo, hanapin nyo yung private DNS. Ayun. So, eto yan. And then, tap lang natin yung private DNS provider hostname. So, lalabas yan, walang nakalagay dyan. Ganun. So, tatype lang natin dito yung dns.adguard.com. Yan. Let's save natin. So, i-test natin yung kung may ads pa ba. Try natin yung Real Drum. May ads to eh. Yan, so wala nang ads. Try natin mag-play. Ayan, so wala nang ads guys. Ganun lang kadali. Yes. That's all. Bye.